y'all. Jeannie's in the house. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Welcome back to my channel, y'all. Today is a video showing you guys my foundation routine. A lot of people have asked me on IG and on Facebook what my foundation routine was, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. So yeah, let's get to it. Normally on an everyday basis, like everyday makeup routine, I do not prime my face. But since I'm doing a whole foundation routine video, I want to show you guys from beginning to end what it would be like if I have an event, if I'm going to work, if I'm going to a night out or something like that, you know, where I really want my makeup to last and I don't want my makeup to be dripping, or you know what I mean? So today we are going to prime. Now, I don't use a lot of different primers. I'm not that curious about primers because it's not like my number one thing. So whatever primer I use actually works for me. I try to stay away from oily primers because I hate having a dewy look on my face. I don't do dewy looks. I don't do glossy looking, bright looking looks, sweaty looking, sticky looking looks. I don't do these looks. I love me a matte finish. The matter, the better. Period, boo. Period. So today we are going to use the Hard Candy Sheer Envy Primer Longwear. This one right here. It acts, let me see if you guys see it on the screen. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Sorry, y'all. There's a lot of light going on up here. This works for me, but normally it does give me a little dewy look, but what I do is that I set it first. So my face is already moisturized. It's extremely important that you moisturize your skin. If you want a perfect, flawless foundation finish, your skin cannot be ashy. We don't do ashy over here. Ashy, we don't do ashy. It's a no-no. You need to moisturize your skin and make sure, where it's at? What she say? Where my water at? Where my water at? Make sure you be sipping on that W, okay? Make sure you got a lot of W up in your body. So drink a lot of water, make sure you moisturize your skin, and then you prime. I prefer a primer that's less on the oily side, but if it is a primer that tends to be oily, I set it with a setting powder. So this one is in between. It's kind of weird, but since I don't use it often, I can't even review it a lot. But it works for me though. It does work for me. So we're gonna put just a little bit. It's very creamy. We're gonna add just a little bit. We're gonna tap it. It feels so good. Just a little bit. It really makes your skin feel moisturized. It's an amazing feeling on the skin. I really like this one. I also use the e.l.f. Poreless Primer that I do not like at all. I still use it because I could work with it, but I don't like it. I don't recommend it for dry. I only recommend it for dry skin. I don't recommend it for oily skin because you be looking greasy. Period. So now I'm going to use my Technique color correcting setting powder. Normally I do it with the sponge, but I no longer have sponges and the stores just opened after quarantine and I haven't, what the hell? I haven't had the chance to go to the store yet, to the beauty supply store. So you know what, baby girl, baby boy, we're doing what we have. You do it what you got. You do. I can't even speak. You do it what you got, boo. Set this baby. And then I'm finna show you guys. my ultimate favorite foundation. Y'all gonna see the coverage. Y'all think I'm playing, and I always set my brows because my brows, around my brows in my T-zone tends to be a little bit more oily. So now my face is all set. You can color correct, and if you guys want, you know what? Let's do it. So we're gonna color correct a little. And I am using the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Orange Corrector. Take a small flat brush, and we're gonna correct only where we see the dark spots. I'm not even gonna do around my mouth because I know around the mouth, I know that around the mouth, the foundation I'm gonna use is going to cover it. So I'm not even worried about it. I'm not even worried about it. So if you have any dark spots and you're like my complexion or a darker complexion, you could use a red lipstick to color correct, or you could use a corrector. So now I'm gonna take my foundation brush and I'm gonna just blend it all in. Y'all see where I'm going with this, right? Y'all see. Gonna blend it all in. Yes. Yes. So you have different correctors for different issues, but for dark spots, which is my issue, that's the color corrector that you need. Sometimes I use a red matte lipstick, but only when my lipsticks are at their very end. Cause you know what? I don't always make us no, I don't. I always find something. I always find a way to use my makeup till the very end. I'll be scratching the bottom and everything. All right. Y'all hear this noise? Y'all hear it? I am sorry if you guys hear background noises. My neighbors suck. They're always making noise. They're always moving furniture. There's always a slamming door. I am so sorry. And also it's like 45 degrees out here, so my AC has been going full-fledged, like on high, like giving me some cool air. Cause a baby girl right here is not gonna melt in front of all these lights. You guys see how blended? Like, I wouldn't even need foundation, to be honest with you. I wouldn't even need foundation. See, dark spots, basically gone. We can barely see the dark spots. Now I'm going to use my ultimate favorite foundation. Y'all. I'm about to tear. Y'all, this foundation right here, like, okay, so it's the Color Stay Full Cover Foundation in the shade 420 Mahogany. It's a matte finish foundation. It's creamy, it's velvety. Oops, girl, get it together. It's velvety, it's creamy, it just gives you, oh my God, it feels so good when you apply it on the skin, and you do not need a lot. I always put the foundation on the back of my hand and then tap, 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 tap a little bit on my face and then blend. Y'all ready? Drum roll, please. Drum roll, please. Get it. So a little bit on the hands, on the back of the hands. Just a little bit. If I need to add more, I add more. But I really always do that. I do not put too much. I try not to. I always put too much concealer for some reason. But foundation, I always try to put just enough, but not too much. because I still want my skin to breathe. I don't like when my skin feels stuffed, and I still want my skin to breathe. I always try to get a foundation that really matches my skin tone, because I really dislike dragging foundation down to my neck. It's not something that I like doing. I do it like under my chin and everything, but dragging it down is not my thing at all. So I always try to get foundation that is very close, or I create it by mixing foundation. But you're never gonna see me, or rarely, I never say never, rarely that you're gonna see me drag foundation down to my neck. Unless I really want the foundation, or I didn't test it, I didn't try it at the store, and then I'm like, oh my God, what do I do? It's already on my face. I don't wanna look like an idiot having a mask on my face, so I drag it down. But if not, I don't drag. Y'all, dark spots where? Sus, dark spots where? Talk to me. Dark spots where? Okay. And y'all see how natural it looks? Do you guys see this? How natural it looks? It feels so light on my face. It's so matte. No oiliness. It's just, oh my God. Perfection. Perfection. And of course, we're gonna conceal just a little bit. Oh my gosh. Y'all, this foundation is my ultimate favorite. All right. Now we're gonna conceal just a little bit, not too much. Just to look a little brighter, a little, I wanna look awake a little bit more. So I am using the Total Coverage Concealer Studio Pro by BH Cosmetics. Once again, I am adding just a little bit to the back of my hands. Might as well do the whole thing, because basically my foundation routine is done. That's how quick it is. So it's like, that's how quick it is. Gonna apply this. I need some more of this, baby. Yes, yes, yes. Y'all, if you guys have looks that you guys would like for me to create, or some techniques that you guys would like to learn, please feel free to comment down below what you would like to learn. I will do a whole video from whatever it is that you've commented down below. Ooh, this finish is... So now, we're so icy. All right, so now we're going to set. We're going to put some lashes on, and I'll be back. That's it, y'all. Very, very simple. A very simple foundation routine that you guys can achieve at home very, very, very easily. What I've added was I put a little bit of blush. I've added my lashes. I didn't even add anything to my lips because I feel like my lips is good enough like that. Sometimes I love an extreme glossy lip. Sometimes I'm just gonna go run errands, so I don't need all that. And put my earrings on, and that's it. That's it. Fully covered. Dark spots where, what, who, and that's that. And we're gonna use a little bit of finishing. Spray. And this is only rose water. I'm using this bottle, but I've only added rose water to this bottle. I love, love, love rose water. It's an antioxidant. It's anti-aging. Just get you some rose water, period. I do have chemically induced setting sprays, but I rarely use them. I just have them because I like to have them, but I don't use them. That's my go-to, which is rose water. And that's about it. I really hope this helped you guys when it comes to applying your foundation at home. If you do have any questions at all or any other techniques that you would like to see, please feel free to comment down below. I will leave all the information of the products that I've used, the blush that I've used, which is from Pastel. The lashes, I have no idea, and they're about to go in the garbage because we're good with them. The foundation I've used, the setting powder, and everything. All the information will be in the box down below. What is wrong with me? I'm spraying y'all. I'm sorry, sis, but I'm spraying y'all. Make sure you turn on your notification bell to let you guys know when I post. I post normally every Wednesdays, but the issue is I live in Africa and sometimes my internet ain't even having it. So sometimes I'll be late. I am sorry, but I do try my best to post every week, every Wednesday. So whenever you guys see that I don't post, it's because I'm having internet issues up in here in Africa, but I am blessed and grateful that I live here. Trust me, with everything that's going on, I'm good. I'm really good. So yes, don't forget to subscribe and comment. I don't want to be just talking to myself, doing things for myself, because I really started this page for y'all. So please feel free to comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see and how you guys are enjoying this whole thing, this whole adventure, this whole journey. If you guys like it, if you don't, just let me know. Just let me know. Let's talk. Let's interact. I forgot to mention the hair. Y'all like the hair? Y'all like the hair? Don't get it twisted. I'm finna put a wig. Next time y'all see me, I'm most probably gonna have a wig on, or I'm gonna straighten my hair. Let's just see. I don't know. Until then, I love you guys. You guys stay safe. Be kind to one another. Be patient to one another. And most importantly, be patient with yourself. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. See you next week.